What if I told you this entire video was created without a camera, a crew, or an editing timeline? Just one AI tool. Today, we are using Focal to create a full animated story, from a prompt to a finished video. But first, let me show you the created video, and then I will show you how I built it step by step, and why this changes everything for a creator like us. Let's check it out.
We've all heard of the 7 wonders of the world, legendary monuments rising above the ages. From the towering pyramids of Giza to the mysterious hanging gardens of Babylon. These marvels weren't just built, they captured the dreams of empires and the imaginations of generations. But what if history overlooked an 8th wonder? Not a limestone colossus or a palace of gold, but a creation so ephemeral it survived only in rumor and dream. Some called it a temple of light, a place where shadows danced on stone walls in patterns no one could explain. Others believed it was a machine, buried deep beneath the earth, built by forgotten hands and powered by secrets science is only now beginning to unlock. There are no blueprints, no records, only fragments and whispers scattered across time. But today, with the power of AI, we can reimagine what once seemed impossible and allow ancient myth to shape new realities. This is the 8th wonder, made possible by FocalML.
First, head over to FocalML.com. If you are new, sign up with your Google account. Once you are in, click New Project from the dashboard. Give your project a title. This will help you keep things organized once you start creating multiple videos. I choose Start from Script, since I already had mine written. Now I paste it in the approved script. In this case, the one for the 8th wonder video. I make sure the language is set to English, then hit Continue. FocalML automatically formats the scripts into scenes for animation. You can go in and edit any line before moving on. Once satisfied, I click Continue again. For this project, I wanted a mysterious illustrated vibe, so I choose illustration. But you could go for Pixar or Sketch depending on your story. I stick with 16:9, perfect for YouTube and desktop viewing. I picked Sedanis 1.0, a premium model that delivers smoother motion and better character design compared to Minimax. Voice precision is key. I always set it to exact so that AI follows my script word for word, crucial when every line matters. If you want specific characters like a narrator or hero, you can customize them here. I skipped this for now, but it's helpful if you are building a series or scene. Once everything ready, I hit Create Video. FocalML starts generating character, animating keyframes, adding voice and music. What surprised me most was not the one-click magic, it's what happens after the video is created. FocalML gives you a timeline editor that works like CapCut or Premiere. I can drag, trim, rearrange, and think visual with narration. Got a scene that drags or a visual that misfires? Just cut it or regenerate it. It's that easy. Let's say your voiceover is longer than your video scene. Just click on the scene, trim it, or drag the clip to match. It's clean, intuitive, and saves ton of time. If I want a new visual, say instead of a desert, I want an ancient pyramid with storm clouds, I just click Regenerate, describe the new scene, and Focal does the rest. Same with dialogue, just rewrite a line, and Focal updates the voiceover automatically using ElevenLabs. Adding music, there is a built-in sound library with cinematic, ambient, and dramatic tracks. Click sound, pick a vibe, and you are good. You can layer it under the voiceover or create moments of a pure atmosphere. And let's not forget, FocalML integrates multiple state-of-the-art AI models behind the scenes. You are not stuck choosing between Runway, Luma, or Minimax. FocalML blends these for you. Voiceovers, that's ElevenLabs. Image and animation, Flux, Recraft, and more. It's like having a whole AI production suite, no model switching, no plugins. You can even generate sound effects directly from prompts. Type something like thunder rumble or robotic footsteps, and Focal will create it for your scene. Need even more customization? You can manually change characters, locations, or objects for each shot. Want a purple robot instead of a palace guard? Type it in, regenerate, done. You can animate individual movement too, like turn head slowly or robot blinks. The bottom line, FocalML is not just for people who want instant videos, it's also for people who want control. This isn't just a script to video tool, it's a full creative studio. Now that you have seen the final result, let's talk honestly. First off, the speed is ridiculous. No editing, no timeline, no camera gear. Just type your idea, wait a few minutes, and then it's a video. And that's a real win here. You don't need any technical skills. Anyone can jump in and make something that looks pretty amazing. There's so much to talk about Focal, but here's what stood out for me. No technical skills required, creates high-quality videos in minutes, easy script editing with a chat, built-in premium voices and music, timeline editor gives full control, and works with top-tier models under the hood. And honestly, the only downside is that it's so good you will want to use it for everything, which might turn you into a content machine. So, polished, fast, and beginner-friendly. But if you are chasing cinematic precision or complex storytelling, you will probably still need a human in the loop. You have just watched an AI video about AI, made with Focal. If you want to create content without the overhead of gears or editing, check out FocalML.com. The link in the description. I am Atif. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.